Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable data saver on Discord. Now, currently, Discord does not have a built-in data saver mode directly available in its web version. However, you can manage data usage by adjusting certain settings that limit media and other data-heavy content. And here's how you can reduce data consumption while using Discord. First, open your web browser and go to the digital web app at discord.com and log in with your Discord account credentials. Once you're logged in, head over to the bottom left corner of the screen next to your profile picture and click on the gear icon to open the user settings. Now go to the data settings if available, or text and images. Okay, let's check. So we have profiles, we have this, we have devices, we have appearance, we have voice and video, we have chat. So we can head over to chat and see how it looks like. Now in the chat settings, head over to where it says automatically convert emoticons in your messages to emojis. You can just disable it, anything that has automatic. So let's say display images, videos, and this. So when posted as links to chat, you can disable this. When uploaded directly to Discord, you can also disable this. Stickers and autocomplete, disable it to ensure that is disabled. Okay, then you can head over to the left corner and click on voice and video. And once you click on voice and video, scroll down to where you have always preview video, so you can just disable this as well. Automatic gain control, okay, so just leave that out. Now, once you click on those like automatically play animated emojis or automatically play GIFs, once you disable it, it means you'll be able to save data by preventing GIFs and images from autoplaying. Okay, so if you disable automatically show images and videos, you'll be able to stop media from downloading automatically in chats. So in this voice and video settings available under user setting, you can disable video autoplay and lower video qualities in calls. Okay, so just go ahead and disable that. Always preview video, disable it, which is there, and automatic. Okay, so these are pretty much the process. So just go ahead and disable those things that can just cause an autoplay. Now, if you stream on Discord, you can just reduce the stream quality to save bandwidth. In the stream settings, just select a lower stream resolution or disable HD streaming. So while there is no direct data saver mode, these settings can just help limit media and video usage, ultimately reducing your overall data consumption. Now, if you're using the mobile app, Android or iOS, there may be more specific data-specific options to control background data and media consumption. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.